Hi, I'm Emma and welcome to TikTok Tuesday. Each week we'll get online trends and challenges and do the research to see if it's worth the hype. This week we're looking at everyone's dream, a self-cleaning hack. But experts warn that this cleaning hack might have some negative consequences.
I have two well-loved pans. Yeah, TikTok says that if I put this in the oven on a self-cleaning cycle, that I will have brand new pans.
Okay, so I heard on TikTok that if you stick these pans in the oven upside down, that they will become clean if you put them in self-cleaning mode.
This life hack seriously blew my mind. No more scrubbing pans. Stick it in your oven upside down. Hit self-clean, wait 3 hours, wait until you see this. I am blown away.
So I'm not trying this one. I have almost burnt down my kitchen many times in my life and I'm trying to move on from that phase. But for a self-cleaning oven to work, it can heat up to as high as 800 or 900 degrees Fahrenheit. And your cute little baking sheet just isn't made to withstand those high temperatures for hours at a time. Some baking sheets that I looked at only had a maximum temperature of 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Too high temperatures can cause the metal to warp, it can ruin the finish on the sheet, and it can also cause some discoloration issues, which kind of defeats the purpose of this cleaning hack.
So I got the pans out of the oven last night after it stunk up the whole house, and they looked bad. And I thought, well, maybe if I stick them in the dishwasher, they'll look better, but no. They look like they've been in a fire. A different color. This used to be like a gray-black charcoal, and now if I rub my fingers on it, it gets this orange on it. And I've washed them in the dishwasher twice, and they're all like that.
And this hack can become downright dangerous if someone were to use it on a pan that has a non-stick coating on it. This non-stick coating is only stable until about 500 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the brand. Any temperature higher than this can cause that coating to start to degrade. And in some cases, it can turn into chemical fumes that, if inhaled, can do some damage. There have been cases of people reporting to the hospital with severe respiratory distress after inhaling the polymer fumes that come off of non-stick coatings. This can lead to a diagnosis of polymer fume fever and a bit of an extended stay in the hospital. And so for me personally, knowing all that, I'm gonna embrace my slightly ugly carbon-stained pan. I've made some really delicious meals in here. If you have a cleaning hack you swear by, we'd love to hear from you. Check us out at healthing.ca.